Hey everybody, I'm Melody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the I Made Something from the Trash series. So I'm gonna stop jabbering, let's get inside, and I'll meet you at the craft table. Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. And this is the third video in this series. If you want to see any of them, they're in the description box below. So just click that little downward facing arrow and then you'll see that. So one of the things in our little survival kit is gonna be a couple of Band-Aids. So we're gonna decorate that up. These letters I mentioned in the last video, so I won't bore you with that again. Let's grab the O. And what are we spelling? You guessed it, we're spelling ouch. And now I want to add just a little bit of washi tape at the bottom. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And now we're going to make the pocket it's going to go into. Okay, and then we're going to take our circle punch and just grab a little chunk out of there. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And now let's pop our bandages in there. Let's see if I left it big enough. Oh, just barely. And now let's move on. Next, let's do our sewing kit. So I just made some little paper bobbins, just some white thread and black thread. Whenever you're dealing with anything sharp, be careful. All right, I popped that pink paper on there, and then I got these stickers, and this is also from the same line. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier in the video or not, because that was probably yesterday or the last video. I'm adding a little extra.
Is always good to do.
Oh my gosh, it just went flying. It's got a piece of ribbon stuck to it. That's how it works in the crafty world. Things go flying with glue on them. All right, so I am gonna kind of do this at an angle. Okay, now let's go ahead and pop that onto here. Guess how much thread is on here? I put about 9 feet of thread on here. It doesn't seem like it, right? And this is just how I did the needle. Now this envelope is all done. So I added the letters that spell so. So we've got our needle, some black thread, some white thread. Bandage 1 should be all dry. Let's pop back to that. We've got to decide what we want on here. And then this is how the bandages will fit in. Honestly, I probably should have left this just a little bit bigger, but it fits. And I know they're not going to fall out. They're not going to slip out in the car. If you need a bandage, I think then probably chocolate is in order. So this stamp that says Send Chocolate is old. It's from All Night Media. And I am going to use that on here. Oh, that brown and pink is so gorgeous together, isn't it? But see how the image didn't come out great? No worries, we'll just grab our colored pencil and kind of fill that in. Sometimes I want to mail something and I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot the stamp. I've got it, and just shook my tripod, I got so excited. I grabbed another one of the coin envelopes and then I just went ahead and glued in some postage stamps. And I have one of these cool stamps. Remember this? SWAK, means sealed with a kiss. But I just thought this would be really cute. I found this stamp and it's called Postmodern Design. All right, I'm going to stand up, just push a little bit harder. I hope my sound is better. I hope it's not so echoey. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, check it out. So that's what we've got. You know, the image is really faint, but I don't mind that. I think I am going to leave it like this for now, right? Because check it out, like you just do that and then you got your stamps. And okay, one more, our last one, so here we go. The last one for this video, this here, where am I missing? Oh, we're over here now. Okay, good grief. All right, so the one that we're going to put in here is gonna be just some paper. I haven't used the green again in a little bit, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna kind of cut an angle and we can get the papers out like that. I'll trim these down just a little bit. Pretty cool. Oh my gosh, I like that angle. This side does not have texture and this side does. So when you're doing something like this, make sure that you put the glue on the side that does not have so much texture because it's just gonna grab a lot better. Here's the moment of truth. Oh yeah. Good. Okay, great. And this is just an adorable washi tape. Oh my goodness, I'm putting it here. I meant to put it here. Well, let's roll with it. All right, so I like that one there. So maybe we'll use the stripe one on here. All right, there is our survival kit for your glove box. And again, these other flaps are in the other videos, so be sure to check that out. But there is our sewing kit, so easy. Then in the next one, we have our sealed with a kiss, or not. We have our stamps, that's just so adorable. And then we'll have our paper here, if all goes as planned. And then, as you know, we have our bandages here. So on our little envelope that says, ouch. I typically am doing 2 flaps per video. So this will probably be a 5-part series. I hope you have an awesome day. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that so much. And why not hit that subscribe button? It's free. So is the thumbs up button. That costs nothing. And I'll catch you later.